Hello everyone and welcome to Piyush Raj Academy. Today we will discuss acid, base and salts of class 7th science which comes under chemistry. In this video we will cover full chapter with question and answers. So let's start. The topic to be covered are acid and bases, indicators, natural indicators, synthetic indicators and neutralizations in everyday life. What are acids? Acids word is derived from Latin word acer which means sour. That is, acid are those substances which are sour in taste, or you can say acids are those substances which turns blue litmus to red, or acids are those substances which have pH value less than 7, or acids are those substances which react with metals and releases hydrogen gas. As you can see here, zinc, which is a metal, reacts with sulfuric acid and forms zinc sulfate, a salt, and hydrogen gas is released in this reaction. And also you can define in another way, acids are those substances which furnishes or gives H plus ion hydronium ions in their aqueous solutions. As you can see here, when in this container we will take hydrochloric acid HCl in aqueous solution, then it furnishes H plus ion hydronium ions, then this is acid. Or you can identify easily acids in those substances which are acids in which oxygen number is greater than equal to 2. For example, CH3COOH. In these compounds you will count oxygen number 1 and 2. You can see here oxygen is 2, therefore it is acids. Okay, and HCOOH is also acid. Why it is acid? Because it has 2 oxygen number and it gives hydrogen ions, H plus ions in their aqueous solutions. For identifications you can remember these conditions, that those substances which have oxygen number greater than equal to 2, that are acids. Okay, now we will talk about types of acids based on source. Acids are of two types based on source: organic acid or natural acid. Second one, mineral acid, artificial acid and inorganic acid. Organic acids are those substances which are produced by plants and animals. Mineral acids or artificial acid, man-made acids or inorganic acid are those acids which are prepared from minerals present in the earth's crust in the laboratory. For example, H2CO3 is a mineral acid, carbonic acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, all these are example of mineral acids. And organic acids which are obtained from plants and animals, for example acetic acid, citric acid, lactic acid, all these are obtained from living plants and animals. There are differences between organic and mineral acids. Organic acids are poorly dissolved in water, and organic acid is generally weak acid, always have carbon atoms. Organic acids always have carbon atoms derived from biological source, less or not corrosive in nature, whereas mineral acids dissolve well in water. Mineral acid, most of the mineral acids are strong acids, may or may not have carbon atoms. As you can see here, carbonic acid H2CO3 has carbon atoms, whereas hydrochloric acid does not have carbon atoms, sulfuric acid does not have carbon atom, nitric acid does not have carbon atoms. It means it may have carbon atoms or may not have. ठीक है. Mineral acids are derived from mineral source. It is highly corrosive in nature. Some organic acids and their sources are malic acids found in apple, glycolic acids found in sugarcane juice, amino acids found in pulses proteins, acetic acid, vinegar, Tartaric acid is found in tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes. Ascorbic acid, which is called vitamin C, is found in amla, citrus fruit. Citric acids in citric acid is found in lemons, orange, like citrus fruits. Tannic acid is found in tea. Formic acid is found in antacid. Formic acid is also known as methanoic acid. You can remember it, which is found in antacid. Oxalic acid, which is found in spinach, tomato. Lactic acid, which is found in sour milk, curds, etc. Now we will talk about types of acid based on strength. There are two types of acids based on strength. First one is strong acid and second one is weak acid. Strong acids, why it is a strong acid? Because it dissociates completely in solutions. And why it is weak acid? Because it does not dissociate completely in solutions. Weak acids are mild in nature and do not cause burn on skins. For example, formic acid, acetic acid, hydrofluoric acid, nitrous acid, oxalic acid, lactic acid, tartaric acid, all these are example of weak acids, whereas strong acids are corrosive in nature, can cause burn on skin. For example, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, nitric acid, hydroiodic acid, all these are strong acids. Properties of acid. In this strong acids, you can remember sulfuric acids is also known as king of acid. Now we will talk about properties of acids. Acids are generally sour in taste, soluble in water, good conductor of electricity, corrosive in nature. Only mineral acids, not organic acid. Mineral acids are only corrosive in nature, not organic acid are corrosive in nature. Can be stored in plastic, glass container and never in a metal container. एसिड्स को हमेशा स्टोर करेंगे ग्लास और प्लास्टिक के कंटेनर में, ना कि मेटल कंटेनर में. मेटल्स के साथ क्या होता है, एसिड्स रिएक्ट करके हाइड्रोजन गैस लिबरेट करता है, ठीक है, साथ में सॉल्ट का फॉर्मेशन करता है विच मे बी टॉक्सिक. देयरफॉर एसिड्स ऑलवेज स्टोर्स इन प्लास्टिक एंड ग्लास कंटेनर. Usage of acid. Hydrochloric acid is an aqueous solution of hydrogen chloride. It is a colorless acids, transparent solutions. HCl solution is transparent. Hydrochloric acid is also known as muriatic acids. Our stomach makes this chemical naturally, which help in digestion of food. Due to its corrosive nature, it is used to remove a stain, rust from metal like iron, copper, and also to manufacture aqua regia, which is a mixture of concentrated 3 molecules of hydrochloric acid and 1 molecules of nitric acid. Okay, in this points you remember aqua regia is a solution of a mixture of hydrochloric and concentrated nitric acid, which is used to dissolve precious metal like gold and platinum. Sulfuric acids, it is commonly used in manufacturing fertilizer and also in mineral processing, oil refining, wastewater treatments, storage batteries, synthesis of dyes, drugs, detergents, explosive, etc. Nitric acid, it is used by goldsmith for cleaning gold ornaments, used for making explosive as like TNT, trinitrotoluene, dyes, plastics, fertilizers, etc. Carbonic acid is a weak mineral acid, is used in carbonated drinks. Carbonic acid helps in transport of carbon dioxide in bloods and making the blood acidic. Note: concentrated acids contains large amount of acid and less amount of water, which is more dangerous than diluted acid, which contains a small amount of acid and large amount of water. Water bases. Bases are those substances which are bitter in taste and have salty to touch, are called bases. Or you can say bases are those chemical substances which turns red litmus to blue. Or bases are those substances which have pH value greater than 7, or those substance which furnishes or gives hydroxide ion OH minus ion in their aqueous solutions are called bases. All bases are basic in nature. Types of bases. Bases are of two types, a strong base and weak base. A strong base produces more number of hydroxide ions on dissolving in water, for example sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, etc. A weak base are those which produces less number of hydroxide ion in their aqueous solutions, for example magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, which is called baking soda, is a weak base. Note, a base which is soluble in water is called alkalis. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. A strong bases are corrosive in nature, but all bases are not corrosive in nature. Bases can conduct also electricity. Why it conducts electricity? Because bases also furnishes ions in aqueous solution, and you know well that ions is responsible to conduct electricity. So the substance which furnishes ions that are responsible to conduct electricity, therefore bases can also conduct electricity. And bases can be stored plastic containers or glass containers and never in a metal container. In few cases bases react with metal, and in most of the cases bases do not react with metals. Some common bases and their uses. Sodium hydroxide, which is known as caustic soda, is used as a lab reagent, manufacturing medicines, soaps, etc. Potassium hydroxide KOH is known as the name of caustic potash. It is used in production of disinfectant, lotions, shampoo, etc. Ammonium hydroxide NH4OH is a base which is used to remove a stain, rust, or manufacturing plastics, nylons, dyes, fertilizers, etc. Calcium hydroxide CaOH2, which is known as lime water, is used as for whitening or whitewashing of building. Simply you can remember, lime water is used for whitewashing of building, manufacturing, bleaching powder, cements, pesticides, wastewater treatments. Magnesium hydroxide, which is known as milk of magnesia, can be used as an antacid to neutralize acidity. Sodium carbonate, which is known as washing soda, is used to remove a stain, permanent hardness of water, and to clean furniture and also washing machines, etc. Sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3 is known as the name of baking soda, is a natural antacid, helps in teeth whitening. It is used to remove odors of garlic, onions from hand by rubbing hand with a baking soda and water. It is also used to get relief from insect bites and skin irritations. Neutral substance. Those substances which are neither acidic nor basic are known as neutral substance. For example, distilled water, urea, glucose, common salts, NaCl, sodium chloride, cooking oils, all these are neutral substance. Why it is neutral substance? Because all these substances are neither acidic nor basic in nature. We cannot test all substances to find out whether they are acidic or basic, as most of them are harmful. So in order to find out the nature of substance, indicators are used to identify the substance whether it is acidic or basic in nature. Indicators are of two types, natural indicators and synthetic indicators. In natural indicators, we will discuss about China rose, turmeric, litmus, red cabbage, and in synthetic indicators, we will discuss about two indicators, that is methyl orange and second one is phenolphthalein. First one is natural indicators is litmus. It is a purple dye extracted from lichen plants. Litmus powder is mixed with water to form litmus solution, and the litmus solution turns red in acidic solution and turns blue in basic solutions. Litmus paper is more commonly used instead of its solution. We are able to make litmus paper or it is easily available in laboratory. Litmus paper are of two types, red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. In base, red litmus paper turns blue, and in acid, red litmus paper has no change when it is dipped in acid. In case of blue litmus paper, when blue litmus paper is dipped in base solution, then it changes no change in color, and when blue litmus paper is dipped in acids, then it converts blue to red. Then we can easily find out with the help of litmus paper whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. Note, we use both red and blue litmus paper in case of neutral solutions. We can perform litmus test on various substances to check whether the solution is acidic, basic or neutral. Lemon solutions, which is acidic solutions. In this solution, blue litmus turns into red. Soap solutions is a basic solution. In this solution, red litmus paper turns into blue. Sugar solution is a neutral solution in which no color change in litmus paper. Next one is turmeric indicator, which is yellow in color. Turmeric indicators is used to identify acid and base and neutral substance. As you can see here, in acidic solutions no change in color, and when we add turmeric indicators in basic solution or in base, then it converts yellow to dark red, as you can see here. And in neutral solutions, when a dark red solutions is again dipped in acidic solution, then it change in yellow, then it is acid, and if no change, then it is neutral. Means देखिए, listen to me, टर्मेरिक इंडिकेटर्स का उपयोग हम लोग एसिड, बेस और न्यूट्रल सब्सटेंस को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए करते हैं. एसिड सॉल्यूशंस में, जैसे कि यहाँ देख सकते हैं, एसिडिक सॉल्यूशंस में जैसे टर्मेरिक इंडिकेटर्स को ऐड करते हैं, यहाँ पे कोई चेंज इन कलर देखने को नहीं मिलता. लेकिन जैसे टर्मेरिक पाउडर या टर्मेरिक इंडिकेटर्स का उपयोग यहाँ करते हैं बेसिक सॉल्यूशन में इन बेस, देन इट टर्न्स इन रेड कलर. एंड व्हेन दिस रेड कलर्स अगेन mixed in basic acidic solutions, if it change into yellow, then it is acidic, then it is acid. And if no change in color, here you can see, if no change in color, this red solutions becomes here also red, then this is neutral substance. In this way we can find out whether it is a acidic, basic or neutral substance with the help of turmeric indicators. Now third one indicators, that is China rose indicators, which is red in color. We can make China rose indicators by boiling 2-3 minutes China rose petals in warm water, as you can see here in figures. हियर ओके, यहाँ पे गर्म पानी लिए, गर्म पानी में चाइना रोज पेटल्स को ऐड कर दिए और कुछ 2-3 मिनट्स बॉयल कर रहे हैं. बॉयल करने के बाद इसका कलर चेंज हो जाता है, रेड कलर सॉल्यूशन ऑब्टेंड होता है. इसको फिल्टर आउट करके इसका सॉल्यूशंस निकाल लेते हैं और इस सॉल्यूशंस का उपयोग करते हैं हम लोग एसिड, न्यूट्रल और बेसिक सब्सटेंस को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. एसिडिक सॉल्यूशंस में आप देख सकते हो चाइना रोज इंडिकेटर्स का उपयोग किया जा रहा है. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, ये रेड मैजेंटा कलर्स में कन्वर्ट हो जा रहा है. रेड सॉल्यूशंस कन्वर्ट इनटू मैजेंटा कलर और पर्पल कलर, देन इट इज एसिड. व्हेन दिस रेड कलर सॉल्यूशंस converts or no change in color, red color solutions becomes red in neutral solution, then it is a neutral. When this red color solutions is added to base, then here it becomes green. Red color solutions becomes green, then it is base. Okay, in this way you can find out acid, base or neutral substance with the help of China rose indicators. Now we will talk about red cabbage, which is in purple color. It is also used to find out acidic and basic nature of substances. In acids it converts into red colors, as you can see here. Red cabbage, which is in purple color, when it is dipped into acid, purple color red cabbage is dipped into acid, then it converts into red color. And when this red cabbage indicators is dipped or pour into alkali means basic solution, base, then it converts into yellow color. Then we will know that it is a basic substance, it is a acidic substance. And in case of neutral substance there is no change. Phenolphthalein, which is a colorless indicators, ये बना बनाया मिलता है. ये आपका सॉल्यूशन होता है 50 ml अल्कोहल, इथाइल अल्कोहल C2H5OH एंड 50 ml वाटर एंड 0.5 ग्राम पाउडर ऑफ फिनोप्थैलिन पाउडर 0.5 ग्राम के साथ 50 ml इथाइल अल्कोहल एंड साथ में 50 ml वाटर, इसका सॉल्यूशंस होता है. ये बना बनाया आपको लेबोरेटरी में मिल जाएगा. इसका उपयोग हम लोग करेंगे एसिडिक और बेसिक सब्सटेंस को फाइंड आउट करने में. एसिडिक सब्सटेंस में एज यू कैन सी हियर, एसिडिक सब्सटेंस में क्या होगा, नो चेंज इन कलर. एंड बेसिक सॉल्यूशंस में क्या होगा, इट कन्वर्ट्स इनटू पिंक कलर. समझे. फिनोप्थैलिन इज ए कलरलेस. इसको जब एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन में डालेंगे तो भी यहाँ क्या होगा, कलरलेस ही होगा, कोई कलर नहीं ऑब्टेंड होगा, तो समझ जाएंगे कि ये एसिड है. और जब ये फिनोप्थैलिन को बेसिक सॉल्यूशन में डालेंगे तो इट कन्वर्ट्स इनटू पिंक कलर. देन वी कैन say that it is a basic substance, a base. With the help of methyl orange, all these are synthetic indicators, phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Synthetic indicators means man-made indicators which is made in laboratory, therefore it is called synthetic indicators, and it is used to find out acidic and basic substance. How we are able to find out acidic and a basic substance? With the help of methyl orange. You can see here, methyl orange is a azo dye commonly used as an acid and base indicators. In acid it converts into red color. When methyl orange, as you can see here, when methyl orange is dipped into acid or pour into acid, then it converts into red color. Orange color converts into red color, then it is acid. And when this orange color, methyl orange, is poured into alkali base, then it converts into yellow color. Then we can say this is base and this is acid. By change in colors we can find out. Now last one indicators, which is a universal indicators. What is universal indicator? Universal indicator is a pH indicator used to identify acid and bases and to determine its strength, power. As it displays a variety of colors over the whole pH scales, it gives more precise result than other. It was developed by Soren Sorensen in 1909. As you can see here, 7 से इधर 7 से लेके 0 तक ये सब क्या है, एसिडिक. 7 से ग्रेटर pH वैल्यू 7 to 14, ऑल दीज आर बेसिक. एंड 0 आर न्यूट्रल. और 7 विच pH वैल्यू इज 7, दैट सब्सटेंस इज न्यूट्रल. यहाँ पे आप लोग देख सकते हो हाइड्रोजन आयन, हाइड्राइड आयंस इधर इंक्रीज कर रहा है, इसका मतलब इधर ज़्यादा एसिडिक है. जिसका pH वैल्यू कम आएगा 0 to 3, दैट इज मोर एसिडिक. और जिसका वैल्यू इधर 12 to 14 आएगा, दैट इज मोर बेसिक. ओके, in this way hydroxide ions increases, in this way hydronium ions increases, which shows the strength of acids and base. Neutralization reaction: when acid solution is mixed with a base solution, then both of them neutralizes or cancels the effect of each other and form a new substance, salt and water. This phenomenon is called neutralization. Here salt formed may be acidic, basic in nature. बेसिक हो सकता है, एसिडिक भी हो सकता है. ये डिपेंड करेगा सॉल्ट्स का स्ट्रेंथ के ऊपर, कैसा सॉल्ट, कैसे, कौन सा एसिड है और बेस है. जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड है, वीक एसिड है, स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस है, वीक बेस है, इसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा सॉल्ट का फॉर्मेशन कैसा होगा, एसिडिक होगा या बेसिक होगा. एज यू कैन सी हियर इन फिगर्स, व्हेन HCl is added to NaOH then it forms sodium chloride and water. ठीक है, एसिड्स एंड बेस को एक अदर कंटेनर्स में जब मिक्स कर रहे हैं तो क्या बन रहा है, सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. ठीक है, यहाँ पे वाटर क्या है, न्यूट्रल सब्सटेंस, एंड सॉल्ट मे बी एसिडिक और बेसिक. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ और पावर ऑफ एसिड एंड बेस. नाउ neutralizations in everyday life. What is neutralization in everyday life? The neutralization reaction involving acids and base play a very important role in our everyday life. If soil is too acidic, we add bases like quick or slack lime to the soil, and if soil is too basic, then we add organic matters compost to the soil. Adding lime to lakes or ponds to reduce the effect of acid rain. We also taking antacid like milk of magnesia or baking soda to get relief from acidity in the stomach. When ant bites, it injects an acidic liquids, formic acid or methanoic acid into our skins, which causes pain and irritations, from which we can get relief by rubbing baking soda or calamine solutions on the stung area. We use toothpaste to cancel mouth acidity. Toothpaste have base, and in our mouths a lot of microorganisms releases acids which damage our teeth, and from that acids we get reliefs with the help of toothpaste, or toothpaste cancel out the power of acidity. Remember indicators and their effects on acids and base. ओवरव्यू यहाँ पे देख सकते हो पूरे इंडिकेटर्स. लिटमस, रेड लिटमस पेपर जो रेड कलर का होता है, एसिड में डिप्ड करते हैं तो नो चेंज इन कलर, एंड व्हेन रेड लिटमस पेपर इज डिप्ड इनटू बेस then it converts red to blue. Okay, next blue litmus paper which is in blue color, when it is dipped into acid then it converts blue to red, and there is no change in case of base. Turmeric indicator which is in yellow color, in acids no change in color, in base yellow to red में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. चाइना रोज लाइट पिंक होता है. लाइट पिंक को जैसे ही एसिडिक सॉल्यूशंस में डालेंगे ये क्या होगा, डीप पिंक कलर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. तो हम लोग समझ जाएंगे कि ये सब्सटेंस क्या है, एसिड है, और ये सब्सटेंस बेस है. जब लाइट पिंक कलर चाइना रोज का इसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा ग्रीन कलर में, तो समझ जाएंगे ये बेस है. ठीक है. फिनोप्थैलिन विच इज ए सिंथेटिक इंडिकेटर इज ए कलरलेस इंडिकेटर, एंड it is colorless in acidic solutions, and it converts into pink, colorless to pink in basic solutions. Now the time for self assessment. Multiple choice question. Litmus is an extract of china rose, beetroot, lichens, blueberries. Lichens होगा. The discomfort caused by indigestions due to overeating can be cured by taking baking soda, vinegars, lemon juice, caustic soda. We all of you know that baking soda is a base which is used in case of indigestion. which is caused due to overeating is cured by taking baking soda. Property which is common between vinegar and curd is that they have sour taste. Acid produced naturally in our stomach is hydrochloric acid. Which of the following contains lactic acid? All of you know that curd, sour milk contains lactic acid. Products of neutralization reactions are salt and water. We know that neutralization reactions में क्या होता है? When acid react with base, then it forms salt and water. The correct way of making a solution of acids in water is to add acid in to water. ठीक है, हमेशा याद रखना है यहाँ पर एसिड में वाटर में एसिड को ऐड करना है, ना कि एसिड में वाटर को ऐड करना है. You don't add water to acid. Always remember that acid is always added to water. Okay, due to its corrosive nature, it produces large amount of heat when it mixed with water. It is exothermic. What is the common name of sodium carbonate? Caustic soda, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. What are acids? Substance whose pH value is less than 7 are called acids. They are sour in taste. What are bases? Substance whose pH value is more than 7 are called bases. They are bitter in taste. Give two example of acids and base. Acids hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. Bases में sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Name one natural and one synthetic indicators. Natural indicators are litmus and synthetic indicators are methyl orange. Is sodium hydroxide an acid or base? All of you know that sodium hydroxide is a base which gives hydroxide ion in their aqueous solutions. Name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. Litmus solutions is obtained from a lichen plants. What is the use of litmus solution? Litmus solution is used to identify substances is acidic or basic. What are neutral substances? Neutral substances are those substances which are neither acidic nor basic. What happens when a base is put on turmeric paste? It converts into reddish brown. When put our paste onto turmeric, when we add a base, our base is put on turmeric paste. ज़्यादा दिक्कत हो रहा है. What is the chemical composition of milk of magnesia? Milk of magnesia का chemical composition क्या होता है? Magnesium hydroxide. Milk of magnesia contains a base magnesium hydroxide MgOH2. State two difference between acids and base. Two difference between acids and base are acids have sour taste and acid turns blue litmus to red, and bases have bitter taste and turns red litmus paper to blue. What are indicators? Give examples. Indicators are those chemical substances you can say which are used to identify acidic or basic nature of a substance by showing a change in color. For example, litmus and turmeric indicators are used to identify the natures of a substance. Why do we use indicators? We use indicator to identify whether a substance is acidic, basic or neutral. What is the effect of China rose indicators on acidic and basic solution? China rose indicator changes to deep pink color in acidic solutions. China rose indicator changes to green color in basic solutions. What are salts? Are they acidic or basic or neutrals? Salts are compounds formed by the reaction between an acid and a base. Acid and a base neutralizes each other and forms a new substance called salt. Salt can be acidic, basic or neutral depending upon the strength power of acids and base, whether it is a strong base or weak base. What causes acidity in a stomach? Excess of hydrochloric acid releases by stomach causes acidity. It could be due to overeating or eating on an empty stomach, or due to indigestions. Large excess acid is produced in our stomach which causes acidity, and from this acidity we can get relief by taking antacids like milk of magnesia. We treat the soil with base. Give reason why. We treat the soil with bases when soil becomes too acidic due to excessive use of chemical fertilizers. Describe the process of neutralization with the help of an example. When an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, then both of them neutralizes each other and forms a salt. This is called neutralization. As a result of this reaction, two substances are formed, salts and a neutral solutions, and some heat is also produced. HCl when react with base NaOH, then it forms salt NaCl and neutral solutions water H2O. You have hydrochloric acid HCl, sodium hydroxide NaOH and sugar solutions. How will you identify using only turmeric indicators? Acids or bases can be identified using turmeric indicators by observing the change in the color of the turmeric paper. With hydrochloric acids, turmeric indicators will remain yellow, indicating that it is acidic solution. With sodium hydroxide, which is a base, turmeric indicators will change to reddish brown, indicating that it is a basic solution. And with sugar solutions, turmeric indicators will not change its color, indicating that sugar solutions is neutral. Sugar solution is neutral means it has neither acidic nor basic properties. Therefore, no change in color in turmeric indicators in case of neutral solutions like sugar solutions. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like these videos, please do subscribe our channels for more updates. Like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching our videos patiently.